In this video, let's see another IIT JEE numerical problem which was asked in the year of 1981 for 2 marks, and the question says that solution set of this determinant is what? That means you need to find out the value of the variable involved, which is x, so that it satisfies the expression which will come out of this determinant. So the question is simple, but it was asked for 2 marks. You cannot leave the question without solving. So let's solve it. There were no options, you need to solve it completely. You have 1, 1, 1, 4, 20, minus 2, 5, 2x, 5x square. One option is that you start solving directly because there is no subjective question that you need to apply properties. The other is make zeros. Whatever you find easier, since there are very small numbers involved, let's start it as it is. We are expanding along, say, row 1 only. If it is that way is 1, then you need to ignore this column, this row. You have minus 2, 5, 2x, 5x square. Then you have minus 4 because it follows plus, minus, plus, remember, right? Then you have to ignore this column, ignore this row. It is 1, 5, 1, 5x square. Last but not the least, you have plus 20. Ignore certain things, ignore this column, ignore this row. You have 1 minus 2. And you have 1 and 2x. Let's see if we did everything right. Yes, it is 1 minus 2 and 1 and 2x. This should not be there. Let's remove it, right? Now you have what? You have just solution left for cross multiplication. Let's cross multiply, obtain the solution, right? So it is minus 10x square minus 10x. Minus 4 is outside. Inside is 5x square minus 5. Then again it is plus 20. It is 2x plus 2. Expand. Expanding gives me what? Minus 10x square. And remember, everything is equal to 0. So don't put equal to here, put implies, put equal to 0 here. Right? Now it is minus 10x square minus 10x minus 20x square minus minus gives it plus. So it is plus 20 plus 40x plus 40 equal to 0. Right? Where are x square terms? One here, the other here. What does it make? Minus 30x square, because minus minus is plus but the sign remains minus. Where are x terms? Here and here. So it is plus 30x. Where are the other terms? Plus 40 plus 20 is plus 60 is equal to 0. Let's take things common. Let's take minus 30 common. If minus 30 is common, it is x square minus 1, because minus 30 is common, minus 1 into x. So it is minus x that you get, right? Here minus 30 is common, you get minus 2. Now it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation has how many roots? It has 2 roots. 2 roots can be obtained either by splitting the middle term or by quadratic formula or by simple observation. You see that the sum of the roots has to be 1, and here the product has to be something called as minus 2. So it has to be either minus 2 and 1 or minus 1 and 2. Let's see. Splitting the middle term x square, then is what? It is minus 2x plus x, minus 2 equal to 0. Take things common, x outside, x minus 2 plus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So you have x minus 2 into x plus 1. So it is x minus 2 into x plus 1. Let me write it here. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the 2 roots are what? Either this is 0 or this is 0. So first 0 means x is equal to 2. Second 0 means x is equal to minus 1. So we have 2 answers to this question. It is 2 and minus 1.